Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix uploader has not made this video available in your country on your YouTube. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are trying to play a video on your YouTube and if you are seeing the error, that is you have to first update your YouTube app, open the Play Store, then search for YouTube. Just update your YouTube app. After updating, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you have to download one VPN. Just open the Play Store, download the VPN. You can see on the this is a VPN. Just tap to install it. After installing, give all the permissions and connect to the any of the country and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the uploader has not made this video available in your country on your YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.